Hey y'all, I'm Captain Justin Leake up here in the Florida Panhandle. And it's no secret that the summertime tarpon fishery up here is world class. Now it's primarily a sight fisher. I mean, this water is beautiful and clear, but there's 2 times that I rely on side imaging to be able to catch these fish. Well, think about this. We start early in the morning, right at daylight. We ride in the tower, we're looking for these fish. Sometimes you just catch a little glimpse of a fish rolling. You get these little clues. Once we get these clues, I'm gonna set up way ahead of the fish, and now I can't see the fish. So that's when I'm gonna look on my side imaging, and by the way, I have this same display up here in my tower, so I can see this same information up there, and I can stay in the tower, and although I'm looking for the fish with my eyes, most of the time I'm gonna see them on my screen first. And because I'm using Mega Side Imaging, I can see so much detail that I actually know which way the fish are facing, which way they're moving, how far away they are. And I use all those little details to know exactly where we need to cast to catch those fish. Go away, fish! I tell you what, when you have the right tool for the job, it makes that job easier and it makes you better at it. And these are my tools. The Apex, the Ultera, and the Raptors, those are the tools that I choose to use that make me a more efficient angler and guide.